Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to capture the element screenshot and full page of the screenshot by using robot framework. Element screenshot is nothing but if you are entering something the value or of the text box or something clicking for the button place or something anything you want to capture the particular element of that. Okay, and if you want to take the complete page you can able to take it, right? This is a format ways we can able to do it. Now in our case I'm going to taking this particular page and this particular button. After loading up this page I'm going to use sleep 2 seconds, then I'm going to input text and locator is id value, then the value is location. Okay, then I need to sleep I'm going to use for 2 seconds, then I'm capturing for element screenshot and the same locator I'm going to pass in. Okay, then we can able to provide that location or image of the name. Okay, if you want to store inside here any of particular directory and that directory you want to store some value, then also you can able to do it. Or is it directly direct project directory means you can able to provide the value only. Value means that is element dot png format you have to store. And second one is capturing the full page screenshot, and for this it is required for only png page png. Okay, now I saved here, and if you want to store these two screenshots into particular folder or somewhere else you have to give for the complete path and file name, then only it will store there exactly, otherwise it will not store. 13th test case. Now it is loading. Oh shit. uh, our test case will fail because it is a google.com it is presented. Oh no, what happened? It is not able to find the value. Okay, copy expert. We'll see expert whether it will work or not. Okay, now I change the both the places expert only. It is not taking for ID. Okay, now it will maximize the browser. Still it is not able to find the value. Mhm. Why it is not able to? Okay, first I'll go for google.com, then this is google.com, chrome, and name equal to q, lokesh, and again we'll see again whether yes it is enter Lokesh. Okay, then you can able to see here page.png and element.png. Okay, there are two things. Now element Lokesh it is enter. If you click page is a complete page, it is taken that element, right? This is a format we can able to take complete page as well as particular element. Element means which is a place we enter, that particular one we are going to take for screenshot. And even you can able to provide the complete path of the location, then it will store that entire information into that particular location. Okay, this is a way we can able to find the capturing for screenshot for the particular element as well as complete page. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to give some comment this video. Then only I can able to give some good content of the videos for the next videos. Thank you.